Hello friends, this is Naganand, Idumudi, English Shorthand instructor. To get more updates, please subscribe our channel. Our channel name is Shorthand Hub. Our channel is providing both general and legal dictations along with advanced outlines to get a better speed in stenography and the dictations on current affairs. If you want to join in my WhatsApp group, please send a message to 970-44-55-002. Now I am going to dictate a passage at 120 words per minute on legal subject. 5 seconds left. Start. The other punch witness is PW10. His version is strange with regard to the case. According to PW10, when himself, PW7 and others were sitting at the Gram Panchayat office at 9:30 am in the morning, A1 to A3 came there and called him, and PW7 took them aside and told them that they killed Kashiram. PW10 further deposed that A1 to A3 confessed before them the manner in which they killed Kashiram and taking away the earring, wrist ring made of silver and a watch from the dead body of him and hiding them in the hut of one Biraya. Thereafter, A1 to A3 led them to the hut and produced MOs 4 to 6. The evidence of PW10 falsifies the evidence of the investigating officer that at the instance of the appellants, MOs 4 to 6 were recovered pursuant to their confession. According to PW10, when MOs 4 to 6 were produced by the appellants, the police were not in the picture. The evidence of PW10 further watered down the entire case of the prosecution with regard to the extrajudicial confession made by the appellants in the presence of PWs 3, 4 and 5. According to PW10, the said extrajudicial confession was made by the appellants before PW7 and 10 at about 9:30 am but not at 8 am as claimed by PW5 or at 5 pm in the evening as claimed by PW3. In view of the above, this circumstance relied on by the prosecution also can't be said to have been proved for holding that the appellants have killed Kashiram and robbed MOs 4 to 6. It may be recalled that the consistent defense of the appellants, as could be called out from the cross-examination of all the witnesses, is that the person by name Kashiram is missing but has not died, and that the corpse that was found is not that of Kashiram. As noticed from the evidence on record, the dead body was in a highly decomposed state, and except the skull and skeleton, nothing was available. Except the turban, stick, and slippers, nothing was found nearby to identify the deceased. The slippers and stick have not been seized and produced, but only the turban was produced as MO1. According to PW2, the cloth such as MO1 will be used by the villagers for covering their head while they go out for rearing their sheep. PW2 was the father-in-law of Kashiram, deceased, and it is he who has been the skull and skeleton for the first time. He claims that he identified the mortal's remains to be that of Kashiram on the basis of slippers, stick, and turban. It is also in the evidence of PW2 that when he has seen the body, the head was severed and was tied up to a tree with the help of two wires and turban. However, according to the investigating officer, when he visited the scene of offense, he has found the skull lying in between the two legs of the body, and different parts of the body were at different places. Exhibit P2 Scene Observation, Panchanama, and Exhibit P5 Rough Sketch were prepared as per Exhibit P1 Inquest Panchanama. In column number 7, it was mentioned that the dead body was in a highly decomposed state, that the skull of the deceased was kept in between two legs, having no hair on the head. Stop.